If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Gmail, there are several steps you can take to regain access to your account. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your recovery information. Ensure that your recovery email and phone number are up to date. Go to your Google account settings and verify that the recovery options are correct. This will help you receive verification codes. Step 2. Use the account recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. Providing accurate answers can help verify your identity and regain access. Step 4. Wait for a verification code. If you choose to receive a verification code via your recovery email or phone number, check your inbox or messages for the code. Make sure to enter it promptly, as code can expire. Step 5. Contact Google Support. If all else fails, reach out to Google Support for further assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account and the issues you're facing to expedite the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Gmail and regain access to your account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reviewing Google's help resources for additional guidance.